Hey nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. And to my new nieces and nephews, welcome to the family. Okay, thank you guys for all your love and support to my channel. I had to get that out the way first. And if you do Auntie a favor, like I always ask, you can always say no, okay? It's just hit that like button. Today I'm going to be making one of the Pamper Princess favorites, orange chicken, okay? I'm not going to be doing the fried rice. I'm just going to be serving it with plain long grain white rice, okay? So I'm going to do a flip and a swip. We're going to get started. I'm going to show you everything that you need so you can make this at home, okay? Okay, I have some cut up chicken breasts. You can use thighs. I like using the chicken breasts. I'm going to be using, this is my 3/4 cup of this is 1 cup of cornstarch, and I have 2 large beaten eggs, and in this bowl I had to get my little cup so I can read. I have 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce and my 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce. Y'all know I throw my sweet soy sauce in I combine with all my soy sauce, and I have 1.5 tablespoons of orange pepper, and that took the place of my some people use orange zest. I like using the orange pepper. Orange chicken is not a Chinese food, it's Chinese American. And I have 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Now I put all that goodness in here, and I let it sit for 30 minutes. And so now I got my oil heating. So what I'm going to do is make my batter for my chicken. Little housekeeping over there. Combine this so I get nice and creamy. Oh, you all don't have to watch this. Okay, I got all this. Got my slurry. It's just my egg and cornstarch. And I just put that in there to test my oil. So I'm going to go with my fry now. Get my chicken in here. You can smell that ginger and that soy sauce. You can just smell all those flavors, you know, just really just mangled together. I don't like touching meat. You guys know I don't, but I didn't have a choice with this one. Ugh. And it's about to drive me up a wall. Throw that bowl over there for a little housekeeping. Yes, guys, I have a skimmer. I don't feel like looking forward to going in that tote, that tool tote. It's in there. Okay, we're going to fry up all these and I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Okay, now the chicken has cooled. I'm going to turn my fire back on and I'm going to go through a second fry. This is what's going to give it that crunch. And I'm not going to completely like cook. Guess I better spread them out. We're going to make our sauce. Okay, we're going to start off with some ginger and some oil. We're going to stir this around till it gets heated and fragrant. It's what the word is, fragrant. Was 1 teaspoon of ginger. We're going to be using 1/2 cup of packed dark brown sugar, 1 cup of orange juice. I'm using 3.5 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce. And I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of honey. That's optional. That's totally up to you. And I have some red pepper flakes. That's a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. That's up to you too. You're gonna make it if you're gonna make it like they do at the little teddy bear place. Okay, so we're gonna start off with our soy sauce, and as you can see, that's sweet soy sauce. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get all my goodness out of here. No, not leaving any goodness. I'm going to add my orange juice. Go ahead and add my brown sugar. And you're going to need a cornstarch slurry. And I'm going to go, oops, don't want that. I'm going to go ahead and add my honey. About a tablespoon. Okay, went over a little bit overboard on that. That's all right. Kaden still eat it. And I'm going to bring this to a boil. Not like a boil, not like I'm boiling pasta or rice or anything. Slight boil. Okay, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to a teaspoon of water. Well, to a tablespoon of water, I'm sorry. And make a slurry so that I can thicken this up some. That smells good. What I'm doing, I'm stirring to dissolve the sugar and the honey. I love cooking Asian food. Well, this is Asian American. Orange chicken is not an authentic Asian dish. This is something that they started selling in the mall. This is not an authentic Chinese dish. This is Chinese American. But it's a delicious Chinese American dish, though. I don't like it because it's spicy. When you go get it outside the home, it's spicy because of the red pepper flakes. Okay, I'm going to work on my cornstarch slurry. On my rule, I add a little at a time. And I never put it all in there in one spot. Oops. Get out of there. Ooh, you got to go. You got to go. You got to go. Look at that. That's So what I'm going to do now is not put the spoon back down. I'm going to add the chicken back in here. This is Caitlin's food. Just use my hands so I can give it some love. And we're going to toss this around in this delicious sauce. Turn this off. We don't want to cook anything else. And here we are. Look it, sucky wucky. And so, you know, a couple pieces got some char on them. They're still edible. You don't throw food away because it got a little bit of char. Oh, I want to taste it so bad. Oh. I put me about 2 pieces to the side for Thursday. No, I won't be able to eat them. That'll be too far out. Let me check her rice. See, we got some of that good old. I use my handy dandy scooper. Let me put a little bit of this sauce on here. Because, you know, sometimes in the restaurants, they get stingy with their little sauce. They do. They get stingy. And I had put some red pepper flakes on it. Give it that beautiful look. Because that's what gives it the heat. And here we are. See, you don't have to go to the teddy bear place. You can do this at home and make as much as you want. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you make it for you and your family. It's easy and it's really good. The pepper flakes are optional. If you don't want the heat, don't add them. Leave them out. And you know, for me, if I was eating this, I wouldn't have pepper flakes because I don't do heat, any type of heat, okay? So again, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. To the next upload, go be you, but be great being you. Until then, I shall see you later. Tight hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. Bye.